AI is a lot like Thanos' gauntlet. It wants to wipe away half of the world's mindless, lazy jobs to free up resources for the best in every field. The US's biggest bank is working on a ChatGPT-like artificial intelligence software that could be used to help pick, analyze, and recommend financial securities. They're calling it Index GPT, but it's still unclear if they'd share it with us consumers or reserve it for their own employees initially. Either way, JP Morgan had already announced the rolling out of its generative AI service, and other banks will soon catch on. Instantly, average Robinhood betas may be taking financial advice from AI instead of slimy finance YouTubers and TikTokers soon. Untouchable billion-dollar wealth managers and CFAs will learn how to use it to save themselves from getting extinct in the Ice Age. JP Morgan will deliver $1 billion in business value through AI this year alone. So I wonder if